Alright, folks at home, this is Anthony. This is the moment y'all been waiting for. Yes, sir. This is my first official unboxing. We don't do unboxings around here. Nobody pays me for this shit. I buy it. I work my ass off. That's why I ain't never done no unboxing. But this looks pretty nice. So we're going to do an unofficial anti-tie unboxing servo. Here we go. I already cut the plastic off. I got it on against it. Yeah! So fresh and so clean. That 2274 Cavalry Edition. Let's see what they put in the box. Servo, of course. Well, I guess y'all want to see the damn box, don't you? That's why I don't do box openers, whatever you call it. Servo. And of course, that cord ain't long enough for shit, but we already knew that. Get that out of the way. What's this? Does anybody even know what this shit's for? What else is in the box? Oh. Cheap ass stickers. Oh, these are actually useful. There we go. Something that's useful. Some of that's useful anyway. Alright. Well, there's my unboxing. No, I'm not putting the TRX4. That is a badass looking TRX4. Shout out to ProFab. Custom bumpers. New project. Keeping it real, yo.